So far, we have already declared component, and we also have instantiated it in our React by calling it like this. Now, to understand it better about how React instantiate our component, let's use class in JavaScript as an analogy on how the React instantiate our component. Please take an important note here that JavaScript classes and React components are not related, but we can use it as an analogy to understand the concept of React component better. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's see an example of main class. When we created this main class, we call it as defining a class. So every class we define, it will have a constructor with its parameter, and when the class is instantiated, the constructor will assign this parameter to the class. A class can also hold a function, and when we create a function inside a class, we call it as a method or class method. We can assume that when we define a class, we are creating a blueprint of its capabilities and usage. If this blueprint exists, we can always create something from this blueprint numerous times. Okay, previously we have defined our class as our blueprint of man. Now, to use our blueprint of man, let's instantiate it by using new statement. By using new statement, we can create multiple instances of it. Not only John, we can create 100 main variables by calling our main class. Now, after we refresh our memories about how class works in JavaScript, the concept of class by creating a single definition of class and instantiate the class many times is very similar to React component. We only define the component once, and we can create as much as we want of the component if we already define the component. Okay, again, as a final reminder, React component and JavaScript class are not the same. I just use it as an analogy to show you the result similarities or the concept similarities between them to make it easier understand how the React component definition and instantiation work. Okay, I think that it's all for the current lesson. In the next video, you will learn deeper about React DOM. By the end of the video, you will get a grasp how React create a DOM for us. See you in next video.